breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space, in my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are.
Guys, is it only me, or are there days where you just feel like you can do a whole lot of things? Those days where you are just motivated for no reason, no, for no reason. There are days that I struggle with work. I try to be productive, but it doesn't just work out. But some days you just have this positive vibe that you can do a lot of things. Today is one of those days. In fact, that's the reason why I'm picking up this camera to vlog right now. Otherwise, I have a whole lot planned for today, but I'll try not to try to do too much, because if I pack too much into my days, I'm just setting myself up for failure, because if I don't achieve it, then I'll start feeling bad that I didn't achieve it. Yeah, let me quickly show you a work by one of my students. And here it is. She's still trying to figure out what to do with all of this net part, where to put the applique and all of that, so it's still a work in progress. See, sometimes when you're a creative person, and what comes to your mind first when you see an outfit is, how did this person do it? You kind of shut your brain off, because you're considering how the person did it. Your brain doesn't go into that creative mode. But if you say a designer, you're like, how can I create this? How can I do something like this? Or how can I create mine similar to this? It forces your brain to start thinking creatively. You start being innovative, and you start, manipulating things. Your brain starts calculating. Meanwhile, on the other hand, if you're thinking of how the person did it, you're thinking passively, and you're actually considering, oh, maybe this person can teach me. You're not thinking of the fact that you can actually create it. See, a lot of designs these days, and they're just crazy. They're so creative that you can't be looking at a design and thinking, how did this person do it? Because sometimes they create the inner structure for us and all of that, just put appliques, and they are actually modifying it as they make it. Guys, let me show you this outfit I'm currently working on. As it is right now, I do more of teaching, online classes, YouTube, and also the physical student. So I'm filming a tutorial for this outfit. It's a corset class. In case you want to join us anyway, maybe I'll drop a link in the description box, but it's to teach people how to make corset dresses. We know that that's the type of design in vogue currently. So let me show you what I have so far. I'm wearing my bra on. That's why my cup is not sitting right, because I still have my bra on the inside. Well, how can I show you the whole outfit to how? It's as if I tighten this corset too much.
Is it too tight?
I don't know. I'm going to zip it. As I finish the zip at the back, try and let me zip it. Let's see. Then we'll now put laces at the back to tighten this waist part as well. So this is what I have so far. I have to go very far away. I won't show you the back because I didn't fasten it. Want to have shape by force. So I tightened the bust, that's the waist rather, so that it gives more shape. But it's appearing as if we will not breathe. No need for breathing now. Abby, no be shape we want. No need to breathe. No need to breathe in this one. Guys, how do I look? Drop a comment in the comment section. What do you think about this outfit? Personally, I like it. I like it. I haven't tightened this upper part. Like I mentioned, I'll add the lace. But yeah, This is a no-braiding outfit anyway, so if what you want is a tight waist, you know, you're not bothered about braiding, you know what I mean. You can make something like this. I removed like 2 inches from my regular waist just so I can have that snatch waist effect, and I think I like it actually. See, by the time we finish putting embellishments, I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys on this particular vlog, but I'll just film it. I hope I can round it up before this vlog goes up. By the time we are putting all the embellishments, you'll see what it looks like.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me.
I think a lot of people watching my vlogs are fashion designers, like I am. If you're a fashion designer, I think there are too many opportunities in this industry. If it's not working out just yet, don't let that deter you. Don't get discouraged. What you will do is look for what you like and what pays. That's passion plus profit. Focus on that thing, learn more about that thing, work on that thing. The problem is there are just too many opportunities that we get distracted. For instance, you're doing bespoke, you're doing ready to wear, you're doing YouTube, you're doing online class, you're doing way too much than you should be doing, really, because you won't be able to direct your energy into anyone. I struggle with the same thing, and I've successfully dropped some. I know that I still need to either delegate or drop. Okay, there are some things that you just know. You know these things really. Many times those we look up to, they didn't start trying to do everything. They didn't start that way. They were known for something. They were known to be good with ashwebi, or they were known to be good with wedding dresses, or they were known to be good with kids' dresses. And as I'm mentioning these things, names are coming to my mind. Or they were known to be good with teaching. Okay, so those are the people that end up standing out. You that you are somewhere and you just do everything, like it's hard to stand out. Really, if that's your aim, you want to stop playing small. You understand what I mean? Some people play small, you don't have big dreams and all that. But if you have a big dream and you want to stop playing small, you have to be known for something. You have to be known to be good at something. So guys, what do you think I'm good at really? What I'm telling you guys, I actually struggle with it because sometimes you are kind of multi-talented. It's hard. But I've managed to combine my sewing with my passion for content creation. So I like to teach. Okay, I think teaching is one niche I like to do, but I struggle. For instance, I also love wedding dresses, and I'm actually learning more about wedding dresses because I want to teach it. Do you understand? So yeah, maybe after I've started teaching it, I will have many pieces of wedding dresses, and I can now say, okay, people can come in for rentals. It won't be so stressful because I'm not starting with that. Do you understand? So later on, you can try to delegate to other aspects. So I love wedding dresses. I love creating designs, so I've done a bit of ready to wear, but even though I had passion for that area, the profit part didn't pay off. As I speak now, I have loads of the designs I created last that didn't quite sell. I don't know what I haven't gotten right in that aspect, but for me, I just feel there are just too many things for me to struggle with one that is not working. I cannot insist on something that refuses to work. So I'm directing my energy to those ones that can work, like creating content, like creating courses. Look around you, there are just so many tailors doing ashwebi, but they can't create videos. They are very good. They can't create videos. They can't bring up a camera and vlog. They can't come on YouTube. They can't speak. You understand what I mean? So imagine if I'm now trying to be like them and neglecting my strengths. That would be a very huge mistake, really. So guys, find what you love, what you're passionate about, and combine it with what is profitable. There must be a balance between those two, because if you're just focusing on profits, you can get worn out because you just want to make money. You're not enjoying the process. And if you're just focusing on passion, you will get broke. because you're just working and it's not paying. But when you find that sweet spot, something you love doing that is also profitable, don't let it go. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted by what other people are doing. It can be very enticing. You see so person doing ready to wear and they're doing great. You feel like, I can actually do this thing. I'm passionate about this thing. But can you sell it? Can you market it? Are you passionate enough to be insistent on making it in that line? Do you understand what I mean? So yeah, just thought I should pop in here and say this. So guys, how's your day going? Drop a comment in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'm not done vlogging, but do that right now. Thank you.
Up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be.
If you live in the UK or you just need a good products for your hair and for body care, natural products, organic products for your hair, you need to check out airglory.co.uk. I'll put our website in the description box. I'll also try to paste it on the screen as well, especially if you're in the UK. Please check out that site, order her product, let her know you are from Kemafrik. Her packaging is so amazing. Every time I see her products, her videos, I kind of just smile. And I also see testimonials flying all around on how excellent the product is, especially if you're keeping a natural hair. She has products that work perfectly for your hair. So I'm thinking of something from subsequent videos. I'll be giving shout outs to my regular active subscribers, those who leave comments and drop likes on my videos. I just want to be more involved with this community. I have quite a number of subscribers now, but I noticed that we are not relating enough. So please, you guys should let's bump up this channel. Let's be more active, let's interact, ask questions, and very soon I'll be bringing back the live videos. I know we talked about having YouTube live like every Fridays. Yeah, so I'll try and resurrect that all over again. Maybe every two weeks, or at least once in a month, we can just come around and I'll give answers to your questions. See all these questions you are dropping in my inbox, and sometimes I'm too busy to answer. That's just an opportunity to get my attention at that time, and so we can discuss and basically learn from each other. So yeah, like I mentioned, I'll be giving shout outs to those I notice are really supporting this channel. So keep dropping your comments in the comment section. And also, if you want me to advertise your business, or you have a brand you're trying to push out, it can even be a fashion house, it can be a skincare product, it can be a hair product, it can be any business, basically, insurance, banks. I'm just advertising myself here. I'm ready for collaborations. I'm ready for sponsored videos. I can create them for you. So please help me advertise me as well. I'm open to all those sort of things. That's why on this channel we're not all about just dropping tutorials and all that. I wanted to see in a realistic way how I run my business, how I film videos, you understand? So that way I try to make it more personalized. I'm not just doing voiceover videos that will just drop. I know some people come here for the videos, of course, but at the same time I want us to go beyond that and interact better. We are building a community, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Hi guys, it's Monday and a lot has changed between last week and now. I'm currently at work and I just finished cleaning up. Yeah, my kids are on meeting break, so I had to bring them to work. Like I mentioned, a lot has changed between last week and today, and my assistant is not around either, so it's going to be a very busy work day for me. So yeah, I'm just kind of crushing on myself this morning. Like I mentioned, the kids are at work with me. Thankfully, they are calm because I forced them to wait for me to finish cleaning before putting something for them to watch on the TV. And in the process, Brian slept off. I laid something on the floor. Sean has been disturbing me since about what I said I'll make them watch, kind of. So over the weekend, like I said, something happened. I got a new help last month, so she has been with us for a month now. And from my own point of view, everything was going fine. She was respectful, and that was like a big deal for me. Once I find somebody who will listen and is respectful, is not kind of abusing us. With that kind of person, I'm able to work other things out, you know. So yeah, and she was doing quite well, and from the first day I took her, she also said she was interested in learning fashion designing. So I started teaching her. She started coming to work with me and we're teaching her. So she's been through a month training with us as well. So yesterday we got back from church and she just knocked and said her father called her from the village. She's also from Kaduna. I got her through my former app. And so she said her father called her from the village to come back right home. What happened? Why? Is there an emergency? She said she doesn't know, that they didn't tell her any reason. So I was like, okay, go on tomorrow then, because I thought it was Monday. She'll be say, yeah, that she has to travel on Monday, and that means she has to leave on Sunday to go and meet her brother. Why the rush? And your father didn't tell you why? She said no. So I just knew that it's one of those tactics. I would have preferred if she was straightforward with me. If she doesn't like the work environment, or she doesn't like to stay with us, you have just been straightforward, right? I would have preferred that, and I've made it clear to her before now that I don't like lies. Come straight with me, be free. But prior to now, I also noticed that she wasn't free, like she wasn't herself. And when she talks to me, she can't look me straight in the eyes. I assumed that was like maybe her being extra on respect and all of that. So I didn't know. She probably had some other plans. Maybe she just came for testing or whatever, but I would have preferred if she discussed with me. So now the bad side of it is that I didn't have time to plan around. And like this morning, she will have been the one here with the kids while I go do my work. But now I can't even do much. The other person that's supposed to assist me is not around either. So yeah, I don't know. I've kind of cancelled today out of my work routine. I'll just see what I can do that won't be too, that won't take me far away from the kids. So that will be it for this vlog. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that and give this video a thumbs up. Don't overlook that, please. It's very important. If you drop a comment in the comment section, I will appreciate it. So let me know how you're managing between being a mom, work, children, with or without help. I think that will help me and some other people. So yeah, that's it. Let's see each other in the next video. Have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day wherever you are. Bye bye.